again. I do not want to put the iron in the fire until the iron is hot. There's a specific reason for that I will not bore you with. Just suffice it to say that I have to have the fire hot before I put the iron in there. It'll actually take me much longer to get this part hot than it's going to take to make the nail out of it. But if I was actually going to set up to make nails, I wouldn't have just one iron. I'd have several, 4 or 5. Put them all in there at one time and let them all get hot. And when all the iron was hot, then I'd start making nails, and I'd grab the first one, make the nail, put it back, grab the second one, make the nail, put it back, grab the third one, make the nail, put it back, and go around like that. And the iron is getting hot as I'm working on the nails, so I can just keep hammering. And by doing that, a reasonably good smith should be able to make 3 nails a minute instead of 1 nail in the 4 or 5 minutes it's going to take. Don't forget your question. I'll get your question in just a minute. Now, I'm going to bring that up to around 1800 degrees. That means when I take it out of the fire, it's going to be a very bright orange color. You guys down here on your knees may want to move back a little bit because it may splatter. It's not likely to hurt you, even if the little sparks fall on you, but they might cause you to hurt yourself or the guy behind you. As you can see, no longer than that's been in there, it's already starting to turn a little bit red on the end. It doesn't take very long in that very high heat. Seconds more. All right. That's pretty considerable. Let me just get a little bit more heat in it. It does cool down much faster outside like this than it would if I got you in the shop. Alright, one rose head nail made right before your very eyes. Take it, it won't bite you, and pass it around, let everybody have a look at it. And now, question. Yes, ma'am.
Oh wait, here's one. The one right there. That's the way.
I'll put you down if you can.